Most students spend 5 minutes calculating correlation by hand using this very complicated formula, but our calculators can do it very quickly in less than a minute. Here's how. PMCC stands for Pearson's Product Moment Correlation Coefficient, and it tells us how strong the relationship is between two variables. The closer the value is to +1, that means that there is a strong positive correlation, and the closer that the value is to -1, that means that there is a strong negative correlation. So in the table given, we can see the hours somebody has spent revising, which represents the X value, and the test score the person gets, which represents the Y value. So can we predict somebody's exam results just by knowing how long they revised for? Let's enter the data into the calculator and see what this tells us. So on the calculator, if we first press Menu and then select 6 for statistics, we can then choose Y is equal to A plus BX. We can then enter the X values, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we can then go onto the Y column and input the corresponding Y value. So for 1, we have 42. For 2, we have 48. For 3, we have 52. For 4, we have 60. For 5, we have 67. For 6, we have 72. For 7, we have 78. And for 8, we have 85. Once all the data has been input, we then press this option button and go to number 4, which is the regression calculator. This now gives us the R value, and the R value represents the correlation coefficient. The calculator gives a value of approximately 0.998, and since 0.998 is close to +1, therefore we can say that there is a very strong positive correlation between revision time and test scores. And in other words, this means that students who revise for longer generally achieve higher scores. A quick exam tip is that in an exam, don't stop after finding PMCC. Always interpret it in context by relating it back to the question. A 4-mark answer should be, there is a very strong positive correlation between hours spent revising and test scores.